How would it?
You ready?
You sure, are you?
Go run, help with the rope. Go run. Ready? Pull up.
That need two and with the one on one there.
I need to button. Somebody else.
Somebody else.
One light, please.
Daddy, no Lego.
Count no man, count no. 2, 3, pull. 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 2, 3, pull.
1, 2, 5, 1, 3,
2, 3, pull. 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 2, 3, pull.
Somebody else needs to catch
2,
him.
3,
Somebody
pull.
glove. Somebody catch him.
2, 3,
Put on
pull.
some gloves and all.
Catch him.
Two,
Somebody
three,
glove.
pull.
Empty one. Somebody else catch him.
Yeah,
Be careful, Daniel.
All right, India, we are getting up.
Don't let go of him. Don't let go.
Hey, minus.
And that's up. No man, somebody, yeah, just hold him on right.
Underneath him,
Hold him on, underneath arm, underneath him armpit, armpit, yeah, armpit.
Good.
Nice. One arm. All right.
Pull the line, pull outside the line.
Yeah, get no, Lego, loosen. Sorry man, loosen.
Alright, pull off the line and send down.
No. Pay out some more and pull him over here.
Pull it off, pull it.
All right, Taylor. $13, including EMP. Bro.
Samaraj, you survivor, boss. Thursday. 3 days and I say, what? From Thursday day night. I'm sure and a rope came down there. And a gurney.
Good, Taylor. More land.
Yeah, man, I throw him down there, man. Yeah,
That
kill
good?
man. Ready for me leader, no? Oh. No, I can move out the fire. I can take out the fireman. Sure.
Put more crew. Don't help him go.
Definitely. Tell them already, man, say I'm a guy.
Yes, sir. The EMT, the man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, up.
He's on a journey.
Which way? Which one going on?
Yes, that is easy.